Yves Nail featuring Lolo Zouaï. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. The hell I just looked at? Oh, is she an alien? What the hell? Oh, she looking at people like. Oh, girl, why are we on the is she a cat? What is happening? Is she not human? Ooh. Wait, hold up. She go hard. Oh, that's a crazy shirt, by the way. That's that's fire. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, and the shoes? Wait, the outfit is killing, bro. Ooh. Hey. Okay, Yves. I might have to add this to the playlist too. Oh, I love that. I love the framing and then the lights on the taxi where you can see inside. Oh, jump scare, low key. Wow. On some like obsession shit. No. Ah! Like I see the nose bridge and everything. That's an interesting frame. Ooh, whoever directed this and edited this. I love the shoes, by the way. I love this shot. Wow, who directed this? Oh, nice. Oh, he crying? What are you crying for? Oh, did she do that to everybody? Did she do all that? Oh, I feel sorry for you. Not really. You must have did something wrong. Yeah. Damn. Did someone get shot? Oh. Oh, I'm gonna have to add this to the playlist for real. Hey. Yeah. Oh, my bad for sleeping. I'm waking up before she do something to me. Like on some. I love that though. I love the like little horror aspect of this. That was great. She did come out with a song with Pink Panthers. That's right. Wow. I need to wake my ass up for real. That was nice. I'm definitely going to add this to the playlist. Let's go. All right. Yves Nail featuring Lolo Zouaï. Zouaï. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but you can help me in the comment section down below. Yeah. That was fire.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.